Hello YouTube friends and fans. Today we're going to work on putting a chimney extension on the generator exhaust. So stick around and watch it happen. All be made by hand. KZ Creations thanks you for watching. Please press the red subscribe button for more featured videos in the future. Now on with the show. So the plan is to take that chimney straight up all the way to the sky. Let's go in the shop, start cutting and drilling. So we got this long pipe. It weighs roughly 4 pounds. I don't need all of it. You can tell there's bad spots. But they're the same diameter. I've got 2 of them. What we're going to do is expand it out, make it so the one will go over the other one. In case you've never seen one of these, it's just pulled in by the threads when you turn the see how it's getting smaller? We use the impact because it's a little faster. So this is flared out. Let me put the two together and show you how good it works. And just like that, got 2 pieces together. So I believe this piece of stainless, it's got a built-in angle here, will work just fine. So mark my pipe here. Use a speed square to mark the edge. Looks about equal distance. I'll set my hand off here and kind of use it as a compass. Now time to cut it out. Well, the battery died while I was cutting it, but it's pretty good. I think I'm going to cut out a little notch here so when I slide the pipe up in, I can turn it and it'll lock. So I originally thought about with all the black dots, that's where I would drill, mount this to the RV. But after thinking on it a little while, I think 3 is plenty. So we're going to put this bolt on the side. Hopefully I can cut this out relatively smoothly. Let's give it a whirl. It'll fit. It's tight. So I'll have to make it just a little wider. Clean that edge up some. I'm going to drill the hole for the tailpipe elbow. here's the finished product. Got the hole all the way through. Now I'm just going to go mark it up on the exhaust pipe generator, drill it, and we'll catch back up in the next step. So we got this hole drilled. Got a pin here for it. Stop it from sliding out. I already welded on these two hooks. So this is going to sit. It'll sit in there just about like so. Level. Nice part with it being sticky, it kind of self-holds itself for a moment. Hopefully you can see the red line I got on there. That's the top of that bracket. After drilling the hole, I put a threaded insert in there. We'll take this bolt, I added a nut to it for a little bit more grab up top. And then just thread her on in. Add some Loctite, screw it down. I'll meet you outside. Alright, final hookup here. I got a bolt stuck through. It's going to be my stop point so it doesn't pull it, take some of the weight off. think that'll work. Time to fire the generator up, find out how well it works. This is my version of the exhaust pipe extension chimney for generator. I do have a leak down here. I'm not sure if I need to put a coupler on or what it needs to be to, or if that's just pretty much kind of how it goes. I got a buddy that's got one this weekend. We'll check it out. But hey, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next video. Hope you like and hit that subscribe button. Comments are always welcome. Thanks.
Next level.